Okay, I've got a question like this. Suppose you have, say, 4 apples, right? I'm going to ask someone to pick some whole number of apples, right? No fractional, whole number. So how many possibilities are there? I mean, in terms of number of apples. 4. 4 or 5? 5. What are the possibilities? No apple, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, right? Okay. If there are, say, 4 apples, and if I am going to ask 3 bananas separately, okay, 3 bananas, 4 apples is different question, 3 bananas, you need to pick whole number of bananas. 4, 0 banana, 1 banana, 2 banana. If I am going to ask that you need to pick, okay, from this 4 apples and 3 bananas.
12, 20.
What 20?
You have 5 possible.
Yeah, 1 apple is different from 1 banana, right? Is it clear?
Yeah.
So last time is all apples are of the same kind of fruits. So 1 apple is different from 1 banana. So if you are going to pick 3 fruits, right, then it could be of different kind or same kind. It could be 3 bananas, or it could be 3 apples, or it could be a combination of, you may have 1 apple and 2 bananas, or 2 apple and, so there are a lot of combinations. Are you able to understand? So what are the combinations? Then you have no apple, 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple and 4 apple, right? You have no banana, 1 banana and so for each of this you have 4 combinations, right? So for 5 of these apples possibilities, for each of the 5 apple possibility you have 4 possibilities for bananas. So you'll be getting 5 into 4, 20. Is that clear? This is a very simple thing. If I am going to bring in some oranges, 2 oranges or something, then this combination with that no orange, 1 orange and 2 oranges will come. Is that clear? So the point is, if I am going to have some number like this, right? Let me take, yeah. There is a number. There is a number at the top. I want to put some natural number here, and this should become a natural number. This result, that means this fraction should become what? This is the, understood? So I am just putting, I can put even 3 here, but it will not become a natural number because 3 is not going to divide 71. Or I can put 3 into 5 into 7. 7 may divide, but 3 and 5 will not divide. So this should actually divide this exactly. Instead the question is actually reframed. This is nothing but it should be a factor of the number, right? So I am just changing the question like that. What should be the character of this question mark? Yeah, it should be a factor, fine. What is the form? It should contain something, right? It should contain. It also has a prime factorized form, right? What are the primes? Obviously not other than 7 and 71, right? Because it won't divide. So, but is it necessary it should contain both 7 and 71? It is it necessary it should contain both? Maybe, but not. So there may be no 71, right? There may be no 7 also. There may be no prime. Then this factor is what? 1. So no 71, no 7 is like 1, right? So what are the combinations? So I have no 71, 171, 271, 371 and 471, right? And then I have no 7, 17, 27 and if I am going to say 17 and 171 and 27, that means it is 71 into 7 into 7, which is one of the factor. Do you see some similarity between these two? What?
Same class.
71 is like apple, 7 is like, so the question is actually simple. So that's how you take. You are not going after what are the factors. Are you able to understand? Is it clear? So if I am going to have, say, in general, if I have m apples and n bananas, right, m apples and n bananas, or maybe I can put a apples, right, a for a number of apples and b number of bananas. What is the combination for this question? A plus 1 into, why a plus 1? Because from no apple till a apples, right? Bananas, no banana to, so a plus 1 into b plus 1. Here, how do you connect that with this problem? If you have a number like p power a into q power b, what are p and q? Distinct primes. What are a and b? What number? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. So what will be the number of factors? A plus 1 into b plus 1. Understood or not? Clear? So if I am going to have a number which is p power a into q power b into r power c, where p, q, r are distinct primes, then how many factors are there for n? The number of factors, right? So number of factors for n is equal to a plus 1 into